Morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. We'll get started in a few minutes, right? In a few minutes. What up, guys? Hello, hello, hello. Let me check everything's good. Okay, cool. Perfect. What up, what up, what up? Let me have a look. Alright. What's moving and grooving? NCI, nothing on this for me. If I'm looking for my entry, I would wait for a break above here, as I usually would. Your level is 141, so you want to close above 141 to look for your entries. Otherwise, nothing. So, NCI, wait for 141, break above. 141, break above. Yeah, NCI needs 141. EONR, I like this one. I would take entries, to be honest. Looks very good into open, 15-minute time frame. Trending up, very, very bullish, looking good. We can even do something like this. I'm not going to go to this wick. I'll go to this wick to make the setup more clean, and we have it like this. We go like that. So now we have a bullish pennant, so this should continue to go up. So what we've seen is the price going from an uptrend, right, to go up. Now if it was coming from a downtrend, then that would be a bearish pennant, right? So looks good, looks very, very good. Member in Discord is looking at this one as well. I know quite a few people are, so we'll see. Very strong move yesterday, 118%. We'll see what it does do. EON resources, is this something to do with yeah. I'm not too sure about this stock, to be honest with you. $6 a share, price cut. I'm not too sure if this runs with oil or what sector this is in, unfortunately. Alright, good morning, guys. Hello, hello, good morning, everyone on the side of the globe. What up? Good morning. Anything on TNXP? If it is not in the top gainers, then nothing. Yep, nothing. TNXP, nothing. So all I do is I play the top gainers. Low volume, look at the dots of these candles, not very clear, right? High volume, low volume. So nothing on this, nothing. Been having fun on your part. I can't believe it. It's going crazy, huh? It's going crazy, that crazy. Duo's looking good into open, falling wedge, demand zone. We'll see if it keeps going up. XIN up 38%. Let me just add this to my watch list. I did have it earlier, I just removed it. Something I'll do with this is what I do with all the plays. Here's your resistance level, 737. Wait for a candle close above 737 to look for entries. Otherwise, nothing. I'm not going to enter now because it's up 37%. That means nothing to me. This is a China play, so it will run with the theme. But obviously, as we know what's going on with the situation, right? The war situation, oil plays are moving. And if it's the same situation as yesterday, I probably won't take any trades. I took one trade yesterday and I made about $6. Break above. But if you're looking at the oil plays are these here: TPET, HUSA, Indo, MRO, Rig. I would focus on HUSA or Indo because that is usually the leader, then HUSA, then TPET, those like that. But Indo is usually the leader, like it was yesterday. My stock, I can't tell you too much about it since I am the owner of this stock. No, I'm kidding. Very bullish, 850 next. Probably hit it right. 850, and then you have 910, and then 975. 9.75. Very nice chart on this. I'm not too sure the sector, to be honest. Up fintech, China play maybe? Probably. Probably. Yeah. Probably. Go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 15 minute, check what's happening. Yeah, looks good. These are your levels. Very bullish chart, expecting continuation as long as this sector keeps pushing. You should be all right. Looks like it was very, very hot yesterday on this. 15 minute time frame on this though. All right, guys, let's like up the stream because we don't have many likes. We only have 14 likes. I know we can get to at least 100. I know we can. Indo Husa. Indo's right here. For me, nothing on Indo unless it breaks above $4 and then it should continue up. Right now it's just ranging. Nothing for me on this. Husa will just be following and doing the same thing as Indo. And 147 I would wait for. Personally, I would just make it 150. Psychological level, close above 150. Yeah, that would be your entry point. So 150 break is entries, I would suggest so. So Husa, wait for 150 break and close above for entries. All right, close above for entries. There you go. Anything on EMKR, this ran yesterday, right? 10%. At the moment, what's the larger time frame looking like? Yeah, larger time frame is bullish. Maybe a possible ascending triangle, which is a bullish chart pattern, meaning you expect price to grow up from there. So you have something like this. 252 break is what you need. So right here like this. Yeah, looks good. Now we can just clean up the chart a bit. Look, like that. Yep, so it should break out of this, but I don't know what sector this is. M-Core, I don't know. Ascending triangle. So ascending triangle is a bullish chart pattern, as I just said. Needs over 4. Yes, you are right, Paul Bro. LX being a beast. Yeah, China play. LX extremely bullish. There's nothing I can really say about it other than very, very strong trend. 18% today as well. Yeah, this thing's insane. This is your main resistance right here. Like this. 340. You've broken 340. You're at $4 now already. Yeah. Yeah, Alex is very bullish. Very nice chart. Back in API. Let me have a peek. This has had a crazy pre-market. Let's see what this can do. So we have this here like that. $6 psych. Yeah, so for me to enter this again, I would wait for downtrend break, or is that VWAP? Yeah, I'd wait for VWAP personally. But yeah, these are your levels right now on API. Back in API, Maxon. Eric, please don't tell me you're in this, brother. Nothing on Maxon. Save this chart because I have it here and I've had it for a few weeks now. You are not looking to enter this unless it closes above 0.11. That is what I will tell you. So Maxon, there are no entries, right? Unless 0.1100 breaks above. All right, that should be very clear to see. Purple line, close above, entries. Here, nothing, no trade range. Leave it alone, leave it alone. All right, let me see anything else moving. What up, bro? I just went over Husa. If you can go back a little bit, but Husa needs 150. Close above 150, but if you're focusing on oil plays, I'd focus on Indo, then Husa, then TPET, then these other ones here. TGL, 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 TGL. TGL up 20%. For me, there's nothing on it. There's no volume, but it might be reversing soon. Treasure Gold. I don't know what sectors is oil. I would say something like that, maybe. Could be possibly curling up into open. I will just keep this on my watch list just for a play to watch because it is curling up into open. Yeah, it could be possible entries here, to be honest. NNE can squeeze, looking for entry 1650. Good luck, brother. Good luck. Travel in the world, I can see it. Please be patient. Guys, you have no patience. I don't know what travel. Can I ask you a question? Why are you posting it 3 times? What's the reasoning? I'm very curious. Do you think I'm blind? Or what? GSIW, nothing unless 186 on this. I don't like something like this. It's very bearish. This whole trend here is bearish. Ranging, nothing on this. I don't like something like this. Nothing. What up, bro? I used to live there. I used to live in Shy City. MTC, what's happening with this? MTC is looking good. Close that. Watch that close above. MTC, watch that close above 0.7365. Not in it. Okay, good, good, good. KXIN, nothing unless 2389. Nothing unless 0.2389. All right. All right, OPTT. OPTT needs to hold here. It's bearish now. OPTT, no good, no good. OPTT, no good anymore. Currently bearish. Currently bearish. Curious to see what's gonna happen. Chicks. Redfin needs Andrade. Whoa, what's going on in here? IREN, I'm out of this swing, unfortunately. No good on this, no good. I need to clean it up, actually. All swings, I mean, the whole market got rocked pretty much due to what's going on with the situation, so plays aren't moving the way they should. Right now you have 940 as a resistance, like this. Yeah, for me it's difficult right now. I don't know, I wouldn't enter this now, it's coming down hard. I have this long term though, that's the only play I have. IREN. Right, IREN, okay bro, thanks. Duo look bullish? Yes, Duo is the most bullish stock on the market right now. Look at it. Look, it's up crazy. Literally from here, look here. I'll put the 4 hours so you can see how bullish the stock is. So, what day was this? This was on the 26th of September. This thing is up currently 750% from then. You tell me. MLGO needs a certain level that I have marked. Nothing unless 2915. Save this screenshot and send it to your girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, and then you can do it. If you guys are going to keep posting tickers to me on Twitter, I'm just going to say use your eyes because I've done it already. I know you're locked in. Hell no. Ain't no Yankee fans here, brother. I don't watch any of that. Boring sport. Boring, boring, boring. ICT is pushing up, ICCT moving up into open. Looks good. Wouldn't enter now, just waited though. Hollow, buy near support. Hollow, what's happening with this? What's happening here? Hollow just coming to support level around here. It's pretty much at support. Like this. Needs to hold this level. Here's your, you can use this 1 hour demands if you really want to. Like this. Look, 0.4080, right? 0.408. Check this out. So you put this purple and then like this, like this. Here we go. Looks good. Hollow is looking good. Hollow ascending triangle. If I can spell correctly. Right, MLGO posted earlier. I posted earlier. Hollow, what do you think of Duo? Can it get a price target? Clout shed, you must be a terrible trader. Right, I mean that no disrespect, but because if you're going to be holding for price targets, you should never be doing that unless you're a long-term trader or whatever. But as a day trader, you never hold for targets. You aim for percentages, okay? So what is my target? I don't have a target, but if I did enter, my target is 5% from my entry, all right? So that means if you enter now, your target is 5%. If your entry is in 2 hours, then you're 5% from that price, all right? Duo is a little risky right now. Yeah, I wouldn't enter anything now, nothing at all. I would never, ever consider a trade right now. It is too volatile. The market is all over the place right now. It's too close, just wait. The market's gonna be here in an hour or so. So just wait. Tiger, sometimes you say the market's slow. How do I know it? Because there are no small caps running. And then what happens is, especially with the situation going on like was yesterday and today, right, until it gets resolved. Also, there's elections coming up, which is going to affect the market. But for me, the way I trade, and I've done it for 4 years now, doesn't matter what market it is, there are always runners and movers. It's just some days you have to be more patient, and that's all. There's no particular months, in my opinion, now because there's so much stuff going on in the world that affect things. So I wouldn't say September is the best month, December, January, like there's no real purpose behind any of the months. I literally just wake up every day, look at which plays have the news, focus on those plays, and I just trade. So that's kind of my approach. But you can just see if there's normally like 20 movers with news, then there's only 5 for one day. You can tell the market's slow, right? Obviously, you can look at the large caps as well, and kind of that position where you'll see that yesterday market is slow because the inverse is moving, which is oil. So oil plays run when the market is coming down. Duo going, yes. I Duo at 43, sold at 212. Please drop talking about it. I had Duo at 43 and sold at 212. Why are you upset about that? That is insane. You had this thing at 0.43, right? 0.43 and you sold at 218. So you made 400% and you're upset. I think anybody will take 400%. I don't care if it's up still 100% from where you sold. 400%, you cannot be upset about it. Why only 11 likes? People are stuck on here. Come on, guys. 33 likes, we get more. Look at the overall market. S&P was almost down in time. Yeah, exactly. How much is the Discord? Discord is $90 a month or $230 for 3 months. Myself and Hassie are both in there. It's not just myself. Hassie is back today. We both do live trading every day. We do swing trades. We do live seminars. Everything. Education, a full seminar on how I trade. Beginners, whatever. Duo TNFA. TNFA has no volume. For me, I would just avoid it. Something like this is when there's no volume, I cannot predict what's going to happen. Yes, it's pharmaceutical play. Is it going to run? I don't know if there's any news pending, but these can either go up or go straight down. But if you're looking for an entry, nothing unless here, 169. All right. I need to squeeze to 20. Sold too soon. I need the hoodie. Need the hoodie. Right, XIN, nothing going on with that. NCI's at support, $1. Maybe this will be good. LGHL, low volume. LGHL, nothing unless 0.2650. Good morning, Tiger. SPY. Let me have a look. Well, SPY doesn't really work well with technicals in terms of what's going on with the situation. But clear the chart up like this. So yesterday was a huge sell-off because of what's going on. Right now it's bearish, so I wouldn't do anything. Personally, I would wait for a break above here, close above 570. I would take calls above here and then puts below here for candle closer here. That's my approach, because right now you are in a range like this. So you buy here, you have this in the way, this in the way. If you sell below here, you have loads of range down. If it closes above, you have all the way range up. You see? So that is what is going on. SPY situation. Green, close above, entries. That is the way I would approach it. Watch out for duos, suddenly crash. Yeah. That's right. China plays are very difficult to trade. But yes, overall trend is very bullish on it. But I always say what goes up must come down. Can you explain when to enter in the falling wedge or bullish pennant? I mentioned that all in the Discord, but I enter inside of the pattern. I have a whole seminar on the falling wedge. Explain to the T exactly how I trade every single time and how it's achieved profitability for me and how I've achieved a 75% plus win rate. Wint 16%. Ooh, I don't know. Nothing for me yet on that. NAS. I don't see anything on NAS, unfortunately. Too much, I don't know, choppy. But if you see something, get it in. Can you check ALTS? I sure can, Suhaib. ALTS, very low volume. For me, something like this. You have, let's go like this. Yeah, I don't know, nothing on this for me. When the market, okay. The way I suggest something, okay, and the way to do it, right? The best thing I can tell you is that when the market is slow, like yesterday, okay, and everything is in the inverse where oil plays are just running and there's 1 or 2 small caps running, okay? This is from a day trade perspective. Then I personally wouldn't trade because I was showing yesterday in the live trading yesterday how the play was working out and what was happening. And that I predicted pretty much everything was happening and that everything was coming down if you were to enter here and so on. Because of the market, it was weak, right? When there's a lack of volume in the small caps, the players aren't going to run out, whether you have a falling wedge or not, or whatever bullish chart pattern or indicators. Most of the time it will reject it, and majority of players were down and below VWAP. So you don't trade. No need. Okay, so now in a situation like this, especially when there is no volume on a play like this, trading it, I don't know. I'm giving you from a day trader perspective where I wouldn't be trading this at all. This would be the lowest probability trade I would take. I would look at something like ICCT where it has volume and it's moving up, right? Like this. This was your entry right here, the break above 0.58, which was a very, very nice move. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. But ALTS, nothing on that, bro. BNZI. BNZI, nothing on this for me. See, low volume, dot, dot, dot. I don't know what's going on here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Anyone feel like the days are just falling into each other now? I mean, there's just a lot of tensions and everything going on. It's just currently right now, probably till November the 5th, I feel it'll be like this. But yeah, it is what it is. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. I prefer when the market's like this because it makes me focus on only one or two plays, and that's a lot easier for me to focus and trade. And then I can easily just focus on my one setup and focus on that because can't be running on every single trade. It's so hard. But there was plenty of opportunity yesterday. There was lots of runners. There always is every single day. Just have to focus on them. Tiger Woods LX back in the demand zone. Yes, $4. Yes, you are correct. I have the same level, $4 psychological level. Yes. XHG, am I looking for anything on this? Personally, no. Look at the stock. Nothing for me. Nothing for me on this. Something like this, I don't know. Look, it's down. I don't like any of this price action. Yeah, nothing, nothing, nothing. 32% yesterday. NCI is here somewhere. NCI needs to get back above $1. All right. QH. QH, nothing on QH for me. 169 above. Let's actually change this around here like this. I don't know. Nothing. 160 maybe on this. Put a blue psychological level. QH, wait for 160, but I wouldn't enter now. There's nothing on it. 8% up, yeah, but there's no volatility. QH, wait for 160 break. 160, 160, 160. Wow, well done, Hartford. Hartford stocks. Discord doing well today. Wow, fantastic. Thanks. Kraken, Kraken, Kraken. Kraken, what's happening with Kraken? Nothing on this. Still bearish. Unfortunately, it doesn't look pretty. Descending triangle. Kraken, a descending triangle. Everyone's talking about VTNR for some reason. I don't know. I know it's oil play, but I don't see anything yet. But yeah, maybe. Running every day, every play is a good way to lose. Got to stay hyper focused. Exactly. That's it. That's why I'm a very boring trader. I do the same thing over and over again. Literally, I'll be giving 1 or 2 alerts a day. And that's kind of trade setups that I take. But then from there, I do still give setups and everything in Discord. I give about like 15, even more probably. That's it. I made bank on ICCT. Lovely. Well done, well done. Well, GameStop is the play. What's cracking? TKS. Let me have a peek. Nothing on TKS. Oh, thanks. Maybe links that you post 9 different charts. Toads, you know what's quite funny is that for me on Twitter, I just share charts, and the charts that I share on Twitter are the bullish setups that I like. And I just show consistency in terms of that I play the movers, I show the movers, and bullish setup, so people can learn from that and tell them what they need to do in those situations where you need to wait for the break above and so on. But it's quite funny because in the Discord, we only take 1 or 2 trades and we only focus on those. So it might look like a lot on Twitter, which is all good and well, but the Discord is where everything is, and that's where we teach and trade how to focus on one trade time. 99.99999% of the time, I never put any trades that I'm on Twitter in the Discord. So I'm in the Discord, we take those trade setups there, and if we're up and our targets hit as usual, then we'll just focus on taking profits from there, and then I'll just post on Twitter for everyone to get in if they want to or whatever they decide. But yeah, I focus on my setups and what I teach in the Discord. I don't share everything that I do on Twitter. I just share chart setups. My charting does look very similar every time I do trade, wait for downtrend break and those things, but you'll slowly start to grasp that concept and so on. But you'll see I don't really post many charts, to be honest. I mainly chart the movers unless people ask me to do chart requests or something, then I'll just post those charts. But when I'm posting charts myself, you'll notice that they're all the top movers. And that's kind of where it is. I use the 5-minute time frame, as you can see on most of the charts. Unless they're bearish, I'll use a larger time frame. API is looking good. Yeah, API is extremely bullish. This thing was very, very strong pre-market, holding $6 into open. I like this a lot. Very, very nice setup. Yeah, should be a good watch today. I missed the first run on this because I was at the gym, but it's actually looking all right. I like it. Would I enter now because it's going up? No, I don't like to enter it open. We have API at $6. Like, so look, where is my friend Totes? So now I'll put this on Twitter and I'll put holding $6 into open, right? Now, the difference is that this is a mover and it's a possible move into open. Now, the difference is if I go in on Twitter, right? Then, sorry, if I go in the Discord, then I'll just make sure that we explain why we're getting in the trade. Everyone knows in the Discord, if you are in there, that you know why we're getting in the trade. We're not just blindly taking it because someone says something or news or whatever. We focus on the technical aspect, which I teach. But yeah, that's it. Snappity snap, snap, snap. Snap's just chilling. I mean, the whole market's a little bit weak. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see if it can hold. Need the market to turn around. Needs to hold. US, this runs with the war situation. Drones. With the missile news, this goes. But down 13%. Yeah, that jobby used to run. This used to run as well. 570. So look, if I'm trying to enter this trade, right? Close above 593. If it doesn't close above 593, then you do not enter the trade. Sorry, I am still in it, by the way. 593 break is what you need for a jobby. Let me just remove this alert on here because I don't need it. And keep that on watch. When you trade live, are you talking through your trades? I am doing exactly what I'm doing now, but I share exactly why we're taking the trade. I say when to enter. I give you the stop loss, target, entries. I say where to enter. Everything is there. So you can see my chart. It's just like this. So I will say, okay, guys, we're looking for the setup. We need to wait for this level to break. Okay, we can enter around this level. This is where we enter. Bang. So yeah, that is how I do it. Both myself and Hassi, I do the first hour at open, and then he does the second hour. I haven't even made any trades there yet. Is it good for me to look at everyone else and see? Must be. Just wait for your setup, bro. Just wait for your setup. I would not be in API now. I would never buy something at open. Tesla, what happened to Tesla? Ouch. Ouch. Tesla's getting rocked. Chinese EV brands Li Auto and Zeekr report record deliveries. Zeekr, that's in Dubai now. It's big in Dubai, this. This is big in Dubai. Actually, let me share this quickly. Come on. Yeah, that's 250's big level here. Trying to see what it does here. Where is this play? 1 second, guys. Let me just find this thing. Option. All right. Yep, so right now Tesla 250 is your big psych level. So 250, close above 250, below 250, I would definitely be taking puts if I am an options trader, but I am not. Big level here on Tesla. Big level at 250. Interesting. So I'm watching API for it to crash. It's overextended. Nice. Yeah, just wait. Any bullish reverse on IMRX? Yeah, probably needs volume. IMRX, nothing on this, still bearish. Can you do a KXIN? I have done already, but nothing unless 0.2389. Right. ADTX halted up, news halt up. Would you give a free trial to new users? Officially, I don't. To know if it's worthy in my bio, you can simply just go simply click onto the WAP link, go through the reviews, and you can have a look there. So right now on WAP, we have 77 reviews. They're all 5-star. You can have a look and read what members have said. And from there, yeah, we have limited spots. So it's not like we just let everyone in. So once the spots are closed, they are done. Yeah, so there's no free trials, unfortunately. Sorry. He needs a link. He just said don't enter. This is about a crash because again, 120 an hour. Felipe, the cost is worth the seminars alone. Yes. That's the thing. If you want to put in the time and effort, then that is how it is. If you don't want to put in effort and you just want quick money, unfortunately, it won't be. And I'll tell you, to be honest, if you're going to try and aim for 100% on your account every day and those things, the Discord is not for you. I'm here to teach you how to trade and become successful and profitable and use this for long term. And once you have the skill, you have it for life. It's a process. It can take 1 week, it can take 1 month, it can take 6 months. It depends how much effort you want to put in, and stick to the process. You know, it doesn't happen overnight. I'll tell you that, unfortunately. NCI wild pre-market. For me, nothing. I'm just going to delete it. Nothing on NCI. Thanks. No worries, no problem. UAVs is only going to run with whatever. UAVs, there's nothing on UAVs, guys. There's nothing on UAVs. Why am I going to enter UAVs if it's down 11%? There's no volume. There's purely runs off news. Whatever the drone strikes and all that kind of stuff, what's going on. If you see that news, this will push the price up of UAV because it is a drone play. So it will be affected by the news. Hollow taking a shit. Yeah, just coming into demand zone here. Right at support. Look, right here. $737, nice. Jobby, lovely. Jobby's looking good. EONR, I really like this setup for today. See API, this is why I don't answer. Just wait. Maximum effort, jobless, just one question in the course. Go live recommendation about what to buy and sell. Yes, I do. I tell you what to buy, I tell you what to sell, I give you the stop loss, I give you the target. But overall, I've stepped back as much as I did before. I used to give a lot more alerts, but I do give a lot of setups. I give about 10, 15 setups a day, which means I say what you can do to get in. But for trades that I take, I give you the entry, stop loss, targets. But I have a different approach in the way I'm doing things now, is that I'm here to teach. I teach my members in the Discord how to trade. Not to just, I'm not a robot. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of just posting charts every single day, all right? I'm here to teach. If you want to learn, you can learn in the Discord and become a profitable trader. You will have shit days, you will have very good days. You need to be disciplined. And when we say don't trade, like yesterday, you do not trade. It's that simple, all right? So There's a lot of things. If you have the determination and you want to do it, I know everybody says it, but members can tell you you need to be consistent with it. Okay, it's not going to work as soon as you do it, and sometimes it won't work for you as it works for me, because I've been doing it for 4 years. But I teach you everything you need to do step by step. Watch the seminars over and over and over and over again, and you are guaranteed to be at least profitable. You'll have at least a 50% win rate. I have a risk management plan, I have journals, there's everything in there for you to succeed as a trader. And $90, in my opinion, is an absolute steal. Absolute steal. I would think, and I might be considering to do one-on-one and probably charge quite a lot for it, because I have a lot of knowledge and a lot of transparency in my trading, because everything is there. So yeah, anyway, that's a different story. Yes, Eric, brother. ICCT looks good. So people, new traders will try and buy this now because they think it's going to go up. That is the complete wrong interpretation of the market. You should not be doing this. And also, one thing about the price of the Discord, guys, you got to understand, there are so many Discords out there and everything, and you got to test and try, and that's how it is. And obviously I'd promote myself because I know that I am probably one of the best up there, I feel, in terms of transparency, but everyone says the same thing. But you'll only know until you get in there, in that sense. But $90 for me, whether you have $1,000 account, $1 million account, it doesn't matter. But my goal is for people to just pay for that subscription and then stay in there and trade with the community. And soon you'll see everyone trades the same thing. When members join, they start to see that everyone looks for the same setups, and that's how you learn, and you trade the same way, and you get consistency, and everyone helps each other to get the results. That's it. You know, so for me, it's very different to saying just buy, sell, buy, sell. We're not here. We're not alert service. We don't give 100 alerts a day, bang, 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 da, 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 right? We win, we lose, but we win a lot more than we lose because we have a profitable strategy and what we teach. You sound like Donald Trump. Might have to. Jobby's looking good. 590 close above on the 5 minute. I would enter API. I would never enter this now. No reason to. Duo coming down, so I would just make this a downtrend now. I would use this as my demand zone, like this, like that, and then yeah, we'll see. TGL's looking good into open. I would enter this one. Looks very, very nice. ICCT is pushing up. ICCT looks like the best setup into open, but I'll wait at least 5 minutes. All right. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. I am going to be here in the Discord. Here is the link. You're welcome to join live trading. I highly recommend it. Webull is a fantastic app. I like Webull a lot, a lot, a lot. I can only trade a pre-market, and then I use my broker here in Dubai. I'm trying to get them, trying to speak to them to move it to Dubai or the Middle East so I can trade over here with it, but I don't know how it's going to work, so we'll see. But yes, Webull is fantastic. I highly recommend it. Someone can give that code to you as well. All right. Have a fantastic day, everyone. I will catch you in the Discord. I know there's a few that have joined. See you guys in there. Peace out, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.